Ebyombekwa birungi byombekerwa ha kitebe ky'enkambi y'amahe agahita keri kushangwa cyangwa aro mu district ya Kikuube ahansi y'enkambi ya bishatu ishatu ahitaka eri abahibwe office y'inganzi ihanga.
Obugaro.
Ebyombekwa birimu amaju agarimu ebishenge bishatu aho kushutama ekiyungu na kamina.
The project commenced in July 2022 with the 2 different units under Engineers Brigade. That is to say, SFC Civil Engineering Regiment, which constructed 24 housing units, 01 Engineers Regiment constructed 36 housing units.
Ebyombekwa byombekerwa amahe agarukurinda President aga Special Forces Command aha sente ziri kwingana biliyoni 4 na miliyoni 200.
Contract cost. Each unit cost shillings 71,428,571 shillings. When I talk of the unit, I mean one apartment like this one here. So that this one is what cost 71,428,571 Uganda shillings.
To express our sincere gratitude to our strategic leadership, especially our Commander-in-Chief, for having come good on the promises that have been made to improve the soldiers' welfare in line with our strategic objectives.
Major General Francis Tachirwa omuhwezi w'omuduumizi w'amahiga hitaka yashaba barahebwa amaju ago butatekateka ngo bamazireyo kureka batandike bombekyo wabaho barahumurire.
In whatever you do, you should always know that the beginning always lives together with the end. Yes, you are here very happy in a house that is with almost everything, but at the end of the day, age will catch up with you. Health situations may come up.
Engineer tugambire byo na maju nkaga the 60 units zitukura zikostingere billion nkaina ne million kabikumbi bibiri ne sente zibwamu kakusanga project 10 baba ile bagihire company zeche za bulikiro bakamwaje kuleta billion kaikumi na isatu.
Abebembezi basime nkwatanisa nongerwa hagati y'amahe n'abantu baburijo.
Kuza kubasima bakora umurimo gw'amani mwasohora okumaraho abashekera abo.
Amahene gagira ngo negetenga kuombeka amaju emitwaro 3 okwetorora enkambi z'amaho mu ihanga. Gashakwanwa gaba Ambrose Katoto.